Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet grip stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the single crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using several different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the grip stitch. This is what it is going to look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to want to make chains in the multiple of 3. You're then going to work 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Chain 3, work a single in the next chain, skip 1 chain, work a single crochet, chain 3, work a single in the next, skip 1, and repeat that until the end of your row. I will then be showing you the row that you will repeat for however long you want your project. So I have made 1 chain on my hook so far. You're only going to be working into these open spaces made from the previous chain 3s that we're going to make. So in this first space right here, you're going to work 1 single crochet. Then make chain 3. Then make 1 single crochet into that same space. And that's going to be 1 grip stitch made. Then you're going to skip over to this next space, make a single crochet, chain 3, make a single crochet in that same space. Skip over to this space, single crochet, chain 3, make a single crochet into that same space. You will then repeat this for the rest of your row. So that is going to be how to make the crochet grip stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.